I'm Umar Abdullah Raza. I'm not here to teach. I'm here to learn and share what I learn with you. I'll share what I learn with you. On this channel, I will share everything what I learn about entrepreneurship in simple words. I will share what I learn from podcast. I will share business ideas for students, and I will talk about mindset, discipline, and habits. And I'll document my mistakes and lessons. I won't sell dreams. Only what I learn, I will actually share it. Only share what I actually learn. Okay? I won't fake success. I won't sell dreams. I only share what I actually learn. If you're a student, confused but hungry to build something, this channel is for you. I'm starting from zero. Why not us? Let's learn together.